Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy a Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest trade on our lot. It's a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Overland, so let's take a peek. So under the hood, you're gonna have your 3.2 liter engine. That of course is a V6. You do have some fog lights on this Jeep, and then of course front park sensors. Coming down the side here, you do have keyless entry on either side of the Jeep, as well as blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. It's a really pretty red pearl color. And then all the way back here, again, rear park sensors in this Jeep with a backup camera. It does have a power lift gate as well. And then under here, you're gonna have a whole bunch of room. Underneath the mat, full-size spare. You also have a little net, a couple accessories in the back here, and then of course you can shut it just by using that button there. But other than that, we're gonna hop inside the Jeep and check that out. So inside the Jeep, since it is an Overland, it's gonna be fully loaded. Heated and cooled leather seats in this Jeep here. And then of course you do have access to that all right here in your controls. So the button for the heated seat, cooled seats, and heated steering wheel. Dual climate control in this Jeep. Again, you can use these buttons right here, or you are able to use it on the screen. So it's kind of whatever you prefer. If you like using buttons and a little dial, or if you like using the screen, moving that up and down, all that good stuff. This Jeep also has navigation on it. Super easy to use. Once you put an address in, it'll automatically save it, so you don't have to continue adding it in every time. You do also have Sirius XM if you want to get that set up. And then of course park assist, lane departure, forward collision warning. And then on here you do have adaptive cruise, which is really nice. All your different drive modes in the Jeep are here as well, just by using this dial. You can change that. A couple of plugins here and a 12 volt. Cup holders, and then of course a glove box. This glove box does lock as well. And then you do have a little bit of storage up front here. You can toss like sunglasses in there, whatever you like. You do have another sunglasses holder right here. So on the door here, as you can see, you do have automatic power windows in the front and power windows in the back. You do have a button to lock the windows if you have kids or pets. Power locks in this Jeep as well. And then of course adjustable mirrors, so you just select the left or right side and then use this little keypad there to adjust them. You also have seat memory right here, kind of by the handle. And then of course, panoramic sunroof in this Jeep. You do have the buttons for that on either side there, with some interior lighting. Lots of storage all throughout. And even more plugins right there. But other than that, we're gonna hop in the back seat and check that out. So in the back of the Jeep, as you can see, a whole bunch of room for your passengers. Again, leather seats back here. You do also have these little vents for your passengers in the rear, and a 115 volt down there. Storage in behind either seat there. And then of course, cup holders. These seats do fold flat, which is really nice. And then it also has the anchors for car seats if you do want to use that. But again, a whole bunch of cargo area with the seats down as well. And then some interior lighting there, a couple of hooks. You do also have more storage on the doors there. And then of course, power windows. But other than that, if you want to make this Jeep yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.